Hello, dear students, how are you? Today we are going to have week 4, the worksheet of week 4. We have here in this week, we have two worksheets. We are going to start with the equation, line, parallel, and perpendicular. So let's start. As you see here, guys, this is the required. Find the equation of a line parallel or perpendicular to another line. Let's see what's this, guys. When I want to solve this, I have to follow the 3 steps here. I have here for step 1, I have what? Find the slope of the line. So find the slope of the line. Step 2, I have here, use the slope to find the y-intercept. Step 3, use step 1 and step 2 to write the answer. Let's see how. So guys, here as you see, parallel lines. Two lines are parallel, guys, if they have the same slope. So remember well, two lines are parallel when they have the same slope. Okay, this is the question comes like this. Find the slope of the line parallel to the line for x minus 5, y equals to 12. How can I solve for this? Let's see. I here do what? I want to find the slope. Okay, I want to find the slope. So remember to write the y-intercept, the slope-intercept form. If you want to find the slope, so write the slope-intercept form. This is the slope-intercept form. We want to study this well. This is y equal mx plus b. Okay, guys, again, I have here y equals mx plus b. So this is what? This is the y-intercept or slope-intercept form. After writing this form, I want to solve for y. I want to solve for y. So y here, okay, the equation was 4x minus 5 y equal 12. So I want to put y here in the first one to solve for y. Like this equation. I want to make this equation like this equation. Let's solve for this, guys. I have here y. Okay, so I'm going to leave y alone. Negative 5y equals 4 goes to the other side by, yes, by negative. So negative 4x plus 12. Negative 4x plus 12. Okay, guys. So I wrote here my equation, but I started here with negative 5y and put 4x to the other side, and it will be what? Negative 4x, okay, guys, plus 12. After this, I want to get rid of what here, Adam? Remember, I want to get rid of what? Negative 5. So I will subtract or divide. Adam, remember, between 5 and y, yes, I can hear you. 5 here times y. The inverse or the opposite of here multiply is, yes, Jumana, bravo. Here I will divide both sides by what? By 5. By 5 or negative 5? By negative 5. So let's see, guys, here. Okay, I have here divide both sides by negative 5. So I divided here, guys, the first one with negative 5, Ahmed Chaukat, and I have here, this is by negative 5, and this is by negative 5. Okay, guys, so negative goes with negative, and remaining here y equals to 4, okay, 4 over 5x, okay. Why 4 over 5? Negative goes with negative. Remember, the negative 4 goes with negative what? Negative goes with negative. Negative divided negative. Remember, the integers, negative divided negative gives me what? Positive. Gives me what? Positive. Okay, guys? And then I did what here? 12 divided negative 5. Okay? Okay. So I have here y equal 4 fifth x minus 12 fifth. Okay, after that I want to tell you something. I was doing this one. I was doing the equation to be like this one, the y-intercept or the slope-intercept form. So here m Where is m here, the slope? Where is m, the slope? It's 4/5. So m equal, okay, wanna write it? Here, m, okay, again. So m, where is m? The marker here. M equals what? 4/5. 4/5. This is m of this what? Of this equation of the intercept, slope intercept form. So guys, I have here, let's clear all of this and go here. So here guys, as you see, this is what? This is the slope, m equal 4/5. Therefore, the slope of every line parallel to this line, this is a line, and I want to know the line which is parallel to this line. So the line which is parallel to this line must have what? Must have a slope of what, guys? Of the same m here will be 4/5. Why? Because if you have the same slopes, so you have what? Parallel lines. Okay, if you have same slopes for m1 and m2 and m3 and so on, so the lines here are parallel. Okay guys, let's move. Okay, what about perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines, when I'm talking about perpendicular lines, guys, this means what? Focus here, focus for the rule, Habiba. Okay, I have here m1, if m1, okay, times m2 gives you -1. In other words, I can say what? If the slopes of the two lines must be negative reciprocals of each other. What are you saying, miss? Let's see by example here, guys. Find the slope of the line perpendicular to the line. I have here a line which is -6x minus 9y equals to 4. Okay, and he asks me to do what? Find the slope of the line which is perpendicular. So the slope must be what? The slope must be negative reciprocals of each other. Okay, if I have here m, so the other one will be what? Will be 1 over m and negative. Okay, like this, guys. If I have here m again, m, so the other one, the other reciprocal must be 1 over m, and I have here negative. Okay guys, so that now they are perpendicular. Let's solve for this, guys. So to find the slope of the line, we need to get what? We need to get the line into, remember? Yeah, into what? Into slope intercept form. Okay, the slope intercept form here I have, remember, this is, you have to study this very well. Y equal mx plus b. M here is the slope. M here is what, guys? The slope, right? Let's solve for this. And this is my equation. Write your equation according to this, guys. Rewrite your equation, okay, according to this. Zamzam. So here, what should I write first, Zamzam? I need to write what, Zamzam, first? The y. Yes, the variable y and the number beside it. So I have here negative, yes, I can hear you, 9y, excellent. Okay, equals what, guys? This is mx. So take what? Here I will take what? I want to hear you. Yeah, I will take -6x. Okay, negative or positive? It goes to the other side. By positive, right? Okay, guys, positive 6x, and I have here also the positive 4 remains the same. Okay, guys, so what should I do here, Adam? What should I do? I want to get rid of what, guys? Of this 9, the coefficient of y. So divide both sides by what? Divide them by, yes, by 9. To get rid of what? To get rid of this 9. Right? So let's divide by 9. Okay, let's see this here as steps. Okay, guys, I have here to divide by 9. -6 divided by 9. Here, -9 divided by 9. And I have here 4 divided by 9. So, -6 divided by 9. Okay, I can simplify here. It's very easy. Okay, guys, -6 here, divided by what? And here divided by what? Divided by 3. divided by 3. This is simplifying, okay? Simplification. Divided by 3, divided by 3 gives me 2, gives me 3. Remember simplifying? Easy, miss, we have taken this before. I know. Simplifying here, to divide each here number with the same number. Okay, guys? Okay? Okay, let's complete. Here, so the answer will be what, Jumana, here? Okay, Muhannad, 2 over 3, or 2/3, negative 2/3. Then, and we write x, let's clear. And we write what, guys? And we write here x. So after this, negative 9 and 9. So the answer will be negative y. I will just write negative and the variable y. 9 goes with what? With 9. 9 goes with 9. And then I have 4/9. Okay, write it as it is. 4/9. It's okay. Who can tell me now? What's the slope m? Slope m here is what? Negative 2/3. This is the slope m. This is what, guys? The slope m. It's negative 2/3. Okay, what's the step after this? The step after this, I want to know the slope, which gives me a line perpendicular to this line, the line of this line. Here, the question is to find m, the slope, the second slope of the second line, which is perpendicular now. It's not parallel, guys. Let's see. And I told you here, if we have here negative 2/3, okay, guys, this is the slope. I need to do what? To turn them over. So instead of 2/3, it will be 3/2. Okay, 3/2. And the sign here is negative, so make it what, guys? Positive. Wow. Again, if I have here, guys, okay, focus here. 2/3, negative 2/3, and I want to know the slope, the new slope that gives me perpendicular lines. Okay, guys, so how can I solve for this? Focus here. Okay, 2/3, change there, okay, upside down. So instead it's here down, make it up, okay? And here the negative becomes what, guys? Positive. So this is m2, the second slope. Let's see together. Okay, guys, this one. As you see here, the slope of the line here, it will be the first one for this equation. It will be what? It will be negative 2/3. So therefore means so the slope of every perpendicular line to the line would have what? Would have here m3 3/2. 3/2. If you multiply 3/2 times negative 2/3, it gives you what, guys? It gives you -1. 3 goes with 3, negative 2 goes with 2, and remainder negative, so -1. Okay, guys, easy one. I think it's very easy now. Okay, look, now let's look at some examples that use ideas to find lines and that are either parallel or perpendicular to a given line passing through a specific point. So guys, in example 3, focus please. We have here, find the equation of the line passing through points -6 and 5. Parallel to the line 3x minus 5y equals to 9. So focus please, my dear students, in this example as it's a new one. Okay, Ibrahim, we have here what, Chaukat? I have here step 1, find the slope of the line. Okay, so my first step, Habiba, to find what, Haneen? The slope of the line. How can I find it, Haneen? I studied well this, Haneen. The slope intercept form is y equal mx plus b. So we have to study this well. Okay, so I have here to rewrite my equation. It's written like this: 3x minus 5y equals to 9. So I want to write what, guys? First I want to write what? -5y to start with this, right, guys? Am I right? Then what should I do, guys? It's easy, miss. Let's see. Okay, guys, welcome back here. So I have here to solve for this. Let's solve this as usual. Okay, I want to get here. Okay, Jumana, I want to get here, Habibi. The -5 first of all, then put 3x to the other side. So I have here 9 minus what? Minus 3x. 9 minus 3x. Okay, guys? So after this, okay, after this, divide both sides by what? By negative 5. By negative 5. By negative 5. This is 9. Okay. Okay. So I have here negative 5 goes with negative 5. Negative 5 goes with negative 5. So I have y alone. Okay. Here I have 9 over negative 5. And I have here, okay, negative 3x over negative what? Negative 5. So guys, as you see, I wrote this for you, okay, in a very good handwriting here. So I have here the answer is what? Y equal 3/5 x minus 9/5. Okay, what's the slope here? As you see, what's the slope? Guys, remember this one, it's very very important. So when you write the intercept form, the slope intercept form, so you here know that m is the slope, which is 3/5. M is the slope, Jumana, it's 3/5. Okay, Ahmed Shaukat, here remember, if I want to know here the slope which is parallel to this, what should I do? So slopes must be what, Ahmed? Yeah, I can hear you. Must be equal. The slopes here must be equal, guys. Okay, let's complete. Okay, important note. This is very important. Okay, the y-intercept for the line 3x minus 5y is, okay, equals 9 is what? The b here is negative 9 over 5. This doesn't mean that this is our intercept for all. Yes, this is, okay, has nothing to do with the final answer to the questions, guys. Okay, let's see what we are talking about. So in here, step 2, we haven't finished yet. We have step 2. After you find the slope of the line which is parallel to the first line, what should I do? Yeah, use the slope to find the y-intercept. Okay, I have here the slope that we know that the slope of the line is 3/5. We can plug, focus here, we can plug the slope into the equation and we get. So after you get here your slope, guys, you write here y equal mx plus b, right? Mx plus b. Easy one. Okay, easy one, easy. So after this, guys, next use the given point to plug in for the values of x and y. Okay, it's given in my question, or yes, it's given what? It gives me here xy equal negative 6 and 5. It's given, Adam. Okay, I didn't get this from myself. It's given in the problem. Okay, Adam, x negative 6, y 5. So we plug in to substitute or put these two coordinates or numbers for x and y. And we have m, and also we have m which is, and we have also m which is 3/5. So you have m 3/5, you have x and y negative 6 and 5. So solve this. Okay, it's very easy now. I have here, okay, let's clear all of this to make it clear for you. So you have here what? You have here a negative 6 and you have 5, and I have here my equation. Remember the equation, please write your equation down to make sure that you are not confused. So y here, where is y? 5. Instead of y I write 5. Okay, clear? I think it's clear. Instead of m I know that it's 3/5. Instead of m here I wrote 3/5. Okay, and instead of what? Instead of x, I know instead of x I put what here? This is x negative 6 and plus b. I want to find here what, guys? This b. This is the note I was talking about. This I should find. Okay, in the other b, it was the b, okay, of what, guys? Of the first line. So let's see this one. Okay, I want to solve for b. So solve it easily. Algebra here, we're going to use our algebra. So I have here what? I have here 5 down. I want to get rid of this 5, guys. So this is my equation. I want to put here like this to make it more obvious for you. So I do what?